In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to spectate games on chess.com, whether you want to watch top players, live matches, or just learn by observing others play. This is a really powerful feature if you're trying to improve your chess skills or simply enjoy high-level games in real time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple chess and tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to chess.com, then log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can still spectate games, but having one gives you a better experience with more features. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side menu. You'll see several options like play, puzzles, learn, and more. What you want to do is hover your mouse over the play option. When you do that, a small menu will appear. From this menu, go ahead and click on play. This will take you to the main game interface where players usually start a new match. Now here's the important part. Once you're on this screen, look toward the top or center area where you'll see different tabs or options related to games. Find and click on the Games tab. After that, select the option that says Watch. As soon as you click Watch, you'll be taken to the spectating section of chess.com. This is where all the live games are displayed. You'll see a list of ongoing matches, including games from top-rated players, titled players, and sometimes even special events or tournaments that are being broadcast live. Take a moment to browse through the list. You can usually see player ratings, usernames, and sometimes the time control of the match. When you find a game that interests you, simply click on it. Once you click a game, it will open up the live board where you can watch every move in real time. You'll also be able to see the evaluation bar, move list, and sometimes even analysis tools depending on your settings. This is incredibly useful if you're trying to understand strategies, openings, or end games. You can switch between games anytime by going back to the list and selecting another match. Feel free to explore different games to see different play styles and skill levels, and that's it. You now know how to spectate games on chess.com and start learning from real matches instantly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy guides just like this. I'll see you in the next one.